Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxy Rich, and today I am bringing you this makeup look. It is drugstore, affordable, and darkskin friendly. So stay tuned if you want to know how I achieved this look and what products I use to get it. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. This is really nice. It's jelly-like, but a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, you just want to spread a little bit right here. This also helps your makeup stay on a little longer. Just rub it in everywhere. So now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I'm using this in the color Cocoa. It's a naturally radiant foundation. Although I do have like combo oily skin, I feel like, you know, it gives a really natural finish without looking too greasy. So I really like this. It looks like a high-end foundation. This was only like $10, so it's really good. So I'm just gonna apply this to my face. I applied it to my brush already. And if you guys saw my last video, if you haven't seen it yet, check it out. But I was talking about the Rare Beauty foundation. I also like that one because it gives a natural finish as well. And that's usually like what I try to go for. Like, you know, your skin but better. Just gonna make sure I cover all my dark spots. Let me know what you guys think of this coverage and the finish of this. On camera it may look a little like warmer than my skin, but I promise like once everything is like all blended together, it looks really, really good. So let me know what you'll think. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and like this video, girl. What you waiting for? So let's move on to concealer. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This concealer is really full coverage, so a little goes a long way again. Just gonna dot that under my eyes and places that I want to highlight. This is also a little brighter than I usually go for, so I need to be careful. Just putting it everywhere I want to bring light to, so that there's some sort of dimension to my face. Usually if I'm doing a quick makeup look, I almost never skip out on concealer, especially under my eyes, because it just helps me look awake. I'm blending that out of my beauty blender. This dries so quickly, you guys. This concealer is no joke. Okay, so concealer is done. Now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Professional Microbrow Pencil. This is like really great and affordable drugstore pencil. It's really great for filling in your eyebrows because it's so thin. Just like gives you like these hair-like strokes, which I like. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows a little bit. I try to take my time with this, but they never come out even. Like, but they say your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Let's go with that. Okay, and like once I'm done with that, I just like to take my finger and just kind of like just blend that in the front here, just so that it doesn't look so harsh. Because you know our eyebrows are usually like thinner right around here, so just get rid of some of that front. I think that looks good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna clean up my brows just a teeny bit. I'm gonna use my same e.l.f. Concealer. It's a little light, but we're gonna make this work. I'm gonna put a little bit on a brush, an angle brush, and I'm just gonna clean up the angle a little bit. So any mistakes you made, you can just cover it up with a little bit of concealer. This concealer is so good, y'all. And I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm just bringing that concealer down so I can blend it a little bit more. And there we go. Brows are done. So now I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. So I actually forgot to set my under eye concealer, so I'm gonna do that really quick before it starts creasing and stuff. I'm going in with my Milani setting powder. It's the translucent setting powder in medium to deep. This is what it looks like, so I just want to go with that on my sponge. Alright guys, we're almost there, so now it's time for contour. I'm going in with Loreal True Match. This is in the shade Expresso C10, and it's cool. I've had this for a long time now, so I don't even know if they still sell this, but if they do, I'll be sure to link it in the description box, because I really like this as my contour shade. And then I'm just gonna blend that. And make sure you really go in your hairline and get that in there so it doesn't look crazy. And don't worry that it's looking kind of crazy right now, because I'm gonna blend that out with my sponge. And I'm just gonna blend that into my foundation. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more concealer on top, just a little bit, because I feel like I lost too much brightness up there, so let's try to bring that back. Okay, so all blended in. What's next? Okay, so I'm gonna take this e.l.f. blush. It's a primer infused blush in the color Always Fiery. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love this blush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit. Look at that pigment, y'all. Yes. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. A little bit of color just to give my complexion a little bit of color. And next I'm gonna do my eyelashes. I'm gonna do them off camera because what I'm using is just those magnetic eyelashes. It's something I got from Amazon. I don't know why, I just can't put on my lashes, so this has always been the easiest way for me to get lashes on. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I decided I wanted to do something real quick with my eyes first. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on there. I'm just gonna blend that in with my fingers. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics palette. This is the Naughty palette. So I picked this up recently from Ulta. I think I'm just gonna use this shade right here as my crease color. Okay, so next I think I'll go in with this color down here. I don't really usually do eyeshadow on my lid, so please bear with me because I just don't. I'm usually like a natural kind of looking makeup girl, so let's see how this works. I'm impressed with this palette, you guys. It's really showing up on my complexion, which is great. I don't know if this qualifies as drugstore though. BH Cosmetics. I mean, it was affordable. The palette wasn't expensive. But I mean, there's so many palettes to choose from in the drugstore. It's like, you know, e.l.f. has a few. I think I had some of the e.l.f. ones, the mini ones. Those were really good. But it comes with like 3 colors, like a highlight shade, a crease shade, eyelid shade. So I'd recommend you check those out as well. So that's it for my eyes, and now I'm gonna move on to my eyelashes. Okay, you guys, so my lashes are on, and I've just lined my lips with just a random lip pencil. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline lipstick and this is 370 Spice for Me. It's like a little orangey color, so since I have a little bit of orange on my lids, I just figured I'll just go with this too. I'm just gonna go with my lip pencil again just to tone this down a bit. Okay, now you can stop the look right here, but I think I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss. The lip gloss that I have is by e.l.f. and it is the lip lacquer. And I have it in the color Love Bite. Okay. And finally, I'm just gonna set my face using the NYX matte finish. This is really good. Helps your makeup stay in place all day long. So alright, you guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this look, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let me know as well if you want to see more videos like this. I could do different tutorials for you guys, so let me know. Be sure to subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.